What's going on, everyone? Today I'm going to show you how to replace the remote battery in your 2021 Lincoln Navigator. Well, your first step is going to be to remove the emergency key out of the bottom of the key fob. There's a button right here that you're going to push, and then you can pull the key right out. Turn the remote over. We're going to remove this back panel that you have right here. Use a flathead screwdriver to help me. Now there's a slot right here that we're going to use. We're going to put the flathead screwdriver in here at an angle, and we're just going to pry it open, pry it up. Okay, and you can just take it right off. Turn the battery upside down, and there's another slot right here that we can use to pry the battery out. All right, we'll get a new battery, and here's our new battery. The battery size is going to be the CR2450, and we're going to leave the positive sign facing us when we put it back in the remote. You have to put it in like at an angle, put it in there like that, and then we're going to replace the back cover, and then we're going to put the emergency key back in, and we're all done. Well, I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, I'd appreciate it if you liked and subscribe. You guys take care, be safe, have a great weekend.